It's so dry here at the moment in rural northern Thailand. The burning season has begun. It's hard to see the mountain because of the smoke today, and it's really hot. It's just a dry, oppressive heat. That's normal for this time of the year. It's always a little bit sad looking at our bamboo at this time of the year because so many of its leaves are on the ground. I'll make good use of those too. They're good for compost and great for mulching, but it's certainly not looking as beautiful and lush as it does during the rainy season. One thing I find wonderful about the bamboo is how it draws its nutrients and water up from its big solid rhizome at the base of the plants at this time of the year when there's no rain, when we've got too much bamboo to water it every day for sure, but it stores up enough food and enough water to sustain itself during this very dry part of the year. It's very resilient, and I like to draw a comparison to the storage of goodness to ourselves too. It's good to have a store within ourselves of faith or of good morals or of high values to draw from during the tough times when it's hard to concentrate, when it's hard to focus during the hot season, or if I'm going through something that's troubling or difficult to get through. It's just good to be reminded of the bamboo and how it draws up nutrients all year constantly, but especially in the dry season it resorts to the storage of the nutrients that it's got in the rhizome, and it's good to be able to do this with ourselves too. And I find that coming and sitting out here in the bamboo and meditating and resting and just praying a bit can really help me get in touch with that stored goodness within myself. And I've learned that there's something special about bamboo, that it's a single organism. All of this bamboo, there are many kongs, there are many parts to it, but it's all connected. The root systems, sure, they're centered around this clump of rhizome in the plant, but there's feeder roots. They're fine and they just go out and out and out through the soil and connect it all together so that it is like one organism. And I've heard that in Japan it's their custom that whenever there's an earthquake, they teach their children to go and run to the bamboo, to be in amongst the bamboo, because it's so knit together under the ground, and above the ground it is strong, and below the ground it is strong. So when the earth moves, the bamboo doesn't break, and the earth doesn't break apart so easily. Apparently it's the safest place to be in an earthquake, but it's also a safe place. It's also a good place to be just to relax. It's cooler here under the bamboo, and it's very, very restful because of this connection that the bamboo has with each other. It resonates a particular harmony, a peacefulness that is so delightful to be in amongst and enjoying. So it is really a fabulous place just to come and sit and rest and take time. This is why I've planted a bamboo room at the back of our section, and it's designed to be a prayer and meditation room. As it grows up, it will form almost a canopy. I think I've designed it so it's relatively small. It'll be another location where we can just go and sit and relax and seek that goodness, seek that peace that's within us. It's a very cleansing, soothing sensation to sit quietly and peacefully amongst the bamboo. And for sensitive people particularly, they really feel it. They just know the extra peacefulness of being in amongst this wonderful plant. If you ever have the opportunity to be in amongst a large clump of bamboo and take time just to sit and relax and meditate and just empty yourself and connect with your environment, there's no other place or location quite like being in amongst the bamboo. If you'd like to know more about the bamboo room that I've planted down the back, the meditation room, check out this video here and it'll explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Thanks for watching another Suan Sook homestay video.